Hello class, this is lesson 18.4, how to find the volume of spheres. So in this lesson is going to focus mainly on finding the volume of a sphere using this formula for a sphere, which is the volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Now another way of writing this formula, which I like to use, is writing it as 4 pi r cubed all divided by 3. So that is the same as 4/3 pi r cubed. So when finding the volume of a sphere, all we need to know is what is the radius of the sphere. And in the first example, if we have a sphere of a hot air balloon that measures 72 feet across, our radius would be 36 because that's half of 72. And when plugging in 36 into the formula, we have 4/3 pi times 36 cubed. And typing that in the calculator gives us 62,208 pi. Using pi, so multiplying by 3.14, gives us 195,333.1 feet cubed. So I know I kind of went through that a little bit quick, but we will take some time when we do a problem together. So in these your turn problems, remember that all we need is the radius. So a spherical water tank has a diameter of 27 meters. How much water can the tank hold to the nearest cubic meter? If the diameter is 27 meters, what is half of 27? Because that's what the radius is. The radius is 27 divided by 2. And that is 13.5. So with my formula, remember the formula is 4 pi r cubed all divided by 3. I'm going to have 4 times 3.14 times 13.5 cubed all divided by 3. Now by now you guys should feel comfortable typing all of this in the calculator at one time, and that will help you with your speed of doing these problems. So let me show you on my calculator. I'm going to put parentheses for the numerator. So 4 times 3.14 times 13.5 and cubed, close the parenthesis, all divided by 3. Gives me 10,300.77. Meters cubed. Okay, next we want to find the volume of a basketball. Now they tell us that the diameter of the basketball is 9, so what will the radius be? The radius would be 4.5. So using the same formula, we have volume is equal to 4 times 3.14 times 4.5 to the third power, all divided by 3. So 4 times 3.14 times 4.5 cubed divided by 3 gives me 381.5. cubic inches, so inches cubed. So that pretty much completes lesson 18.4. So for your homework, you are given different spheres, and you're asked to find the volume. I do want to mention that for problem number 5 and number 6, we have hemispheres, and what a hemisphere is half a sphere. So what you can do for these problems is find the volume of the entire sphere using this formula, but then divide your answer by 2, and that will give you the volume for the hemisphere. And then for your checkpoint, you have some problems, some composite figure problems involving spheres, hemispheres, and prisms or cylinders. So that completes lesson 18.4. Have a good day, guys.